Hello and welcome to cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirvan and let's go through the day of crypto world with English News Bulletin. Cryptowire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel cryptoTV, has launched India's first index of cryptocurrencies IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. To track the IC15 index and its constituents, download the Cryptowire app from the Play Store. Here are the headlines. Cryptocurrencies trade higher as Fed seen delivering small hike in March amid war. Infosys launches Metaverse Foundry, develops 100 use cases. UAE, Singapore turning into crypto hubs with Indian exchanges shifting base. ECB wants quick action on crypto regulation after Russian sanctions. America's oldest bank to launch institutional crypto custody service. $40 million UK mansion goes on sale as world's most expensive NFT. Ukrainian armed forces received over $5 million donation in Bitcoin. FTX plans to move beyond sports marketing. Cryptocurrencies traded higher amid investors' hope of smaller than anticipated Fed rate hike in March as Russia-Ukraine war was expected to dampen consumer sentiment and weaken economic growth momentum. Investors speculated that a 50 BPS raise is now effectively off the table for the March meeting as higher energy prices and geopolitical uncertainty may do the Fed's job for it by slowing global growth. The Russia-Ukraine crisis deepened as Russian missiles pounded Kyiv following a declaration of war by Russia's Vladimir Putin this week. Amid the chaos, Russia voted a UN resolution deploring aggression in Ukraine. Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was at $38,947, up nearly 1% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, traded at $2,755, up nearly 5% in the same time frame. Alternative coins or altcoins such as XRP and Luna rose 9% and 12% respectively. Infosys Limited, India's second biggest software exporter, has launched a Metaverse Foundry that will help its client with adaptation, creation, and also help scale the new technology. The company has already developed 100 use cases and is actively working with clients on the same set, a top executive. The move comes at the time when companies around the world are putting a huge focus on the metaverse. According to Infosys President Ravi Kumar, the concept of Metaverse Foundry is an experimental infrastructure where consumers can discover, create, and scale. The use cases and templates developed by Infosys will help consumers discover, reuse some of those components, and connect to the metaverse using the platform of Infosys. Regulatory uncertainties over cryptocurrencies in India is prompting Indian exchanges to move base to other countries. According to reports, Indian crypto exchanges are eyeing to shift operations to Singapore and the UAE, which are emerging as new crypto hubs. The rush among cryptocurrency exchanges to shift base has gained pace after India decided to slap a 30% tax on all virtual assets, while countries such as Dubai and Singapore are setting up specialized zones or framing specific laws to move crypto wires. In fact, UAE all set to issue federal licenses for virtual asset service providers to attract crypto giants from across the world. Ethereum scaling platform Polygon has shifted most of its operations to Dubai and USA. It was originally located in Bengaluru. As for Singapore, the island nation's banking and financial regulator, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, is working on a strong regulation for cryptocurrency. Singapore has already caught the attention of Binance Holdings to set up a base in the country. On Friday, European Central Bank ECB President Christine Lagarde urged lawmakers to quickly approve a regulatory framework on crypto to prevent Russia from skirting economic sanctions. On Thursday, United States President Joe Biden announced a series of sanctions aimed at imposing devastating cost on Russia due to country's attack on Ukraine. The economic measures did not include cutting Russia off from the SWIFT payment system or crypto transfers. The Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, better known as BNY Mellon, is reportedly gearing up to become the first bank to enter the global digital custody space later this year. BNY Mellon's upcoming custody platform will be aimed at institutional clients, enabling big players to hold their Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bank's crypto wallet. The 238-year-old bank reportedly plans to launch its new custody platform only in the US initially, but may expand to additional territories in case there's demand for it. Although Bitcoin and Ethereum will be the first two cryptocurrencies supported by the new platform at launch, other tokenized traditional and digital assets will likely be added too in the future. Yesterday, the bank also announced that it will team up with crypto intelligence firm Chain Analysis to utilize its risk management software as a component of their strategy to develop cryptocurrency services for their clients. The developer Stanley Holmes is building the 11-bed Hampton Hall mansion in Surrey, southern England, which also comes with a non-fungible token containing the copyrighted blueprint and virtual version of the property. The buyer would have to pay 2% of the purchase price of the mansion to buy Hampton Hall NFT. The mansion, with bulletproof windows, swimming pool, cinema hall, and bowling alley, will be built on 0.5 hectare plot owned by the Crown Estate. The future owner of the Hampton Hall NFT will be able to download the house in the virtual world, such as Decentraland, or hang it on a digital picture frame on the walls of the real house. The yet-to-be-built luxury mansion is up for grab in both real life and in the Metaverse, with the dual listing raised the possibility that the $40 million Hampton Hall in the UK may have two separate legal owners. More than $5 million in Bitcoin has been raised to support Ukraine's armed forces since Russia invaded the country. The Kyiv-based Come Back Alive Foundation's cryptocurrency wallet appeared to have received 130 BTC, worth around $5.1 million as of Friday evening, and more than 2,200 donations in total, according to blockchain analytics firm Elliptic. Patreon, a private company where creators can post subscription-only content, suspended the group's donation page on Thursday following the invasion and returned hundreds of thousands of dollars to donors. Patreon said in a statement that buying military equipment using the site was banned. Patreon is investigating how the funds will be used. If the page is ultimately removed, then as per company policy, either remaining fund will be given to the creator or the other pledges will be refunded. FTX is looking to boost its marketing efforts beyond the sport realm, and to that end has hired Lauren Leventon-Platt as its head of global luxury partnerships at the company. Platt has founded beauty services Vencetta, for which she launched partnership with Saks, Fifth Avenue, Vogue, Michael Kors, and Chopard to bring hair and makeup experiences to professionals. In her new role at FTX, the executive will target major luxury brands that have yet to integrate with cryptocurrency as a way to focus more on marketing to other consumer segments such as women. That's all for today's news. For daily news and update, keep watching cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirvan, signing off for now. See you tomorrow, same time.